Kuanza safari na mtu na kwa roho yako you mean well, si ndio? Na unatamani mtamaliza pamoja.
Si wadanganyi nyinyi watu wa Central mlio kataa Kenyatta, mtachinjwa hivi asubuhi tu. Kiuchumi nimewaambia for free kwa TV.
Msicheze na moto. Si mumecheza na moto na mumeumia? Si mumecheza na moto na mumeumia? Munataka kurudi kwa moto ama munataka kuokoka? Munataka kuokoka? Njia ya kuokoka ni Baba. It is very sad also that we also have a few of us who are learned but unfortunately lack wisdom and behave like very ignorant people who have never even entered a classroom door.
Rais Uhuru Kenyatta, tunakuomba tafadhali rais, usiue mimi vile baba yako aliua JM Kariuki.
Hado hawe inoke na kirio meretie uko ya kirio kareheru atiga mukona muka godreiga muka tugatigiceraga guku ujirage ngai ne wathukire riu tugwika atia ni ndire mwera ni ngukite kuona miti ni ndire no horo ni mutigana inani.
Mimi Rigathi Gachagua ndio nilipatiwa Uhuru Kenyatta na Moi mwaka wa 2002. Hakuna kitu alijua. Nilimtoa kwa baa, alikuwa mlevi, nikamuuta, nikamsaidia, nikamfanya akakuwa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya.
Mwaweza tutukane kila mtu akipita, lakini ujiulize kama hiyo matusi ndio itakuokoa, iokoe maisha yako, iokoe maisha ya watoto wako na bibi wako ambao wako nyumbani.
Ndakwira ma iwe mayangai morete na muthenya umwe ni mukamenya ni murite.
The Senate has resolved to remove from office by impeachment His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua AGH, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Accordingly, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua AGH ceases to hold office.
Having seen how things move very fast in this house,
I have a message from the President on the nomination of Professor Kithure Kindiki, EGH, to fill the vacancy in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya.
Naitwa Volda bin Baijuka, hii ni Mutembe TV.
Well, welcome to Kisi Hot. Here I have, and I think you have seen some videos from the former President Uhuru Kenyatta. Ladies and gentlemen, there is one thing I want us to understand from these videos. Before I say anything, you have listened carefully. The message from the former President Uhuru Kenyatta telling Rigathi Gachagua to be very careful, warning Gachagua on his sentiments against the Uhuru Kenyatta and his family. Uhuru Kenyatta warned Gachagua and those people from the mountain who are behind Rigathi Gachagua. According to these videos, Uhuru used to tell these people from the mountain, you will remember me. You will remember me one day. Don't joke with the fire. I know what I am saying. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you see, yesterday, the National Assembly approved the new Deputy President, and you know very well, Gachagua was impeached. It is on this week, it is due to the favors of the court orders that still he is serving as the Deputy President. Uhuru cast this man. Gachagua used to stand before the crowd and say, I was given Uhuru Kenyatta in 2002 to take care of him. He was a drunkard. He used to stay in bars, different bars, to drink. I'm the one who has molded him. Then Uhuru responded and told him, be careful. See now here, between Gachagua and Uhuru Kenyatta, who is now crying? It is now the moment Gachagua, he has realized that he should go back to Uhuru Kenyatta. He disrespected Uhuru Kenyatta by all means. He did everything using the power as the deputy president to undermine Uhuru Kenyatta. He used the same powers to attack the mother of Uhuru Kenyatta. He used the powers and he went to the farm of Uhuru Kenyatta and stole goats and sheep from the farm. He sent some some goons to attack Ngina's farm. You saw what happened during Mandamano. You saw what happened that time. You saw what happened to Mama Ngina's farms. You have been watching, and I have some video clips here. You have seen those video clips. This is a curse when you don't obey your fathers, parents, you disobey because of money, knowledge, education. These are the results that you get. There is no day Gachagua can come back to active politics and public office. He's done. His case is done. The moment he's out of the hospital, let him think on how he will look Kenyatta's family and apologize. Because those are curses. And the people of Mountain, they enjoyed what Gachagua used to say. The young boys, joined Gachagua to celebrate and disrespect Kenyatta's family, including Uhuru Kenyatta. Others, they used to say they are from Mau. Do you remember the Mugumo tree falling down? Then the mountain has fallen down. Let me repeat it. Do you remember when the Mugumo tree fall down? Now, the mountain has fallen down. The only way the mountain can come back is through respect. Ask forgiveness, Kenyatta family. The family that has produced two presidents of this Republic of Kenya, the father and the son. I think don't be used by a friend to kill your family, to kill your fellows, to kill your religion, to kill your community. Think twice that tomorrow the person who will stand with you when you are in trouble is your family or family member. So don't attack your family because they will stand with you in good or in bad days. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.